Hi Christina, so just a quick video to talk through how to set this up. So unfortunately with the Feedback Creative it's not possible to change the way that the target actually appears. It will always appear in a pop-up kind of new window. But what we can do is we can create a slider question that appears like a Feedback Creative, just to be sneaky about it and actually build this out manually. So I've just created a new, I'm in my own account and I've just made a new creative and I've chosen the slider type. So I'm just going to start off with a box and I'm just going to make this box look the same width and height of the feedback link creative. So I'm just going to style this the way I'd like. And once you're happy with the dimensions of this, so this will be the part that is sticking out for your participants to click on to enter the target. So then what we're going to do is add a text box over this. And obviously you can style this whatever way you want, but I'm just going to style it like a feedback. So once I have that typed out, I'm just going to add all the numbers down. I'm going to center them. Oh. And then I'm just going to move this down, and I can style this however I want. So maybe I want it to be bold, maybe I want it to be a little bit bigger. Basically just keep going until you're happy with how this is styled. Once you're happy with the part that's going to be sticking out, we're then going to use an embedded target. So we're going to attach this onto our feedback link. So this is the part that's going to slide out when they interact with the feedback part. And then your survey will actually be embedded in here. So as soon as they click on feedback, this will actually slide out and show them the survey for them to take within the web page. So obviously there's just a little bit of customization on this. You can just note how wide the feedback link is. So it's 45 px. So when we go to change options, we can ensure that the visible control we need to set, and we need this to be 45 to match. So then when we preview this, so I'll just do it over here just so you can see. This is not going across, my apologies. So maybe I just want a small iPhone, for example. I know this is going to look very big now, but when we preview this, you'll see that only the feedback part actually displays. Okay, so for this, it is necessary to kind of play around with the control size. So I'm just going to start off with the iPhone, for example, and I'm just going to increase this out to 100 px just to see how much of this actually comes out onto the screen. So you'll see that only that much actually comes out onto the screen. So maybe if I increase this out to 130 and take a look. So it looks like almost the entire feedback link comes out here, and then preview one more time. And 135 seems to actually get the entire feedback. So it is a little bit of playing around here, but basically when you click that, then your actual survey will pop out onto the screen for the size you specified. So this actually auto adjusts as well, which is great. When you have it set to PX, the same pixels across all devices, so that will stand out on all devices an equal amount. So this is Android. Then for other computers, you'll see it also adjusts. So once you actually have this size correct and it shows your feedback link, I'll just go back to that small one. Then when you click on this, your survey will actually appear in this box here. So I hope that answers your question, but if you do have any questions on this setup, or if you want to set up anything else, just let me know.